for nutria, 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 nutria. N is for nature, nature, nature. N is for Nancy, Nancy, Nancy. It's the turn for letter O. O is for owl, owl, owl. O is for orange, 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 orange. O is for Oliver, Oliver, Oliver. Congratulations! We just learned the letters M, N, and O.